Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. It's getting late here. Actually, there's no wind this afternoon, so I was working pretty much all day outside. I am planting roses today, so I'm planting 3 climbing roses and 3 hybrid tea roses. And I was going to show you really quick what they look like. But the reason why I don't have pictures is because they were sent bare roots. So I've been soaking overnight. You can see here in this bucket, I basically let them sit overnight in a tall bucket because you can see they're pretty distinct. They have pretty strong roots already developed. And so I needed a kind of a tall bucket, and I found this one that actually worked really well. You should probably remember this for next time. And they've been sitting in the water overnight. I'm ready to plant. This place, you guys, such a big project, but it's coming along. I'm starting to get really excited because I can see how everything is going to come together eventually. And so, but because these roses are here, and this is really a good time for us to buy roses because coming May, they will be really difficult to find roses for this to plant in the summer. So I have to wait either until the fall to buy roses, or now while it's still I'm still able to. And so I ordered them. I know where they're gonna go. I have a space for them, so I decided, to get it done, get it in the ground. I will work the rest around it. So I have 3 hybrid teas, and they called here. I broke my glasses. So they called oops, not okay, guys. So I found everything. So it looks like the picture. This is the picture. It looks really gorgeous, and it's called Flora Danica. So here you go. Look how beautiful this is. Absolutely stunning. It's a hybrid tea. I love hybrid teas. As all of you guys probably who have been following my videos, you guys all know that I'm really a big fan of hybrid teas. So this is going to be really pretty. And what I'm doing is going to plant 3 by each other. And you can see the 2 I've already planted. 1 I already prepared the hole to go for the 3rd one to go in. And then now let me switch really quick to show you my climbing roses, and I'll explain what I'm doing there. Okay guys, so you can see this is my climbing rose that I chose, and it's very pretty. It's supposed to be salmon peach color, kind of very mellow light, but it's very fragrant, what they're telling me. I'm really excited. Now, I purchased these roses from Greece. They actually arrived from Greece. I'm really excited. They came in a really great shape. They're actually great price for the roses. This is seem like a big rose farm, and the name of the farm is called here, Aramis Roses, right here. And they actually, I'm really appreciative of them because they actually sent me an extra rose. I really don't know. It looks like it's a Grand Flora. I don't know what it's going to be, but it was a gift. That was really nice for them to, just show me nice customer service appreciation. So I'm excited. I planted that one over there. It's a surprise rose. I have no idea what it is. But this rose, I just wanted to tell you really quick, this beautiful climbing rose called Claire Renaissance. Right here, Claire Renaissance. It's going to go about 2.5 meters high. So what I'm trying to do, and humor me because this area has lots of trees, and many of you guys probably thinking, why am I planting a rose in a woodland area? But I think there is plenty of light here, especially us cutting all the branches, raising them up, and also you can see this is where the morning sun comes in, and I can control how much sun I want to allow in, which I can open certain areas to bring more sun if it's necessary. So what I'm trying to do, I want to plant climbing roses here, which I will have a support for them to climb on. So sun will be here. I can always cut more branches. I can always open more for the sun to come in. And here, what I want to do in this vase is plant hydrangeas, and I want them to be blue. So what I'm thinking, the peach, salmon, you know, in the background, climbing with the blue, it will be just really magical, the beautiful, kind of interesting settings, and the color combination. Really excited about it. Now, I don't know how it all will work out, right? There might be lots of changes afterwards, but this is the vision, and you know, we don't know until we try it and see how everything works. But my idea is to create a climbing roses, create a garden, eventually remove all of these bushes, because the garden itself will create basically privacy right here. The climbing roses, the clematis, you know, my other stuff that I plant here, it's actually going to be the privacy. And so, and that will also create a cover the sun for the hydrangeas, which is going to be here. So, so the roses will get lots of sun, hydrangeas will not get lots of sun. So this is the idea. But anyway, it's getting dark. I have to get planted. Go ahead and start planting. I already planted 2 of them. You can see there is one right here, and I'm all dirty because I've been working all day. But there is one right here, and there is another one right there that I planted. So the third one is going to go in a hole right here where I already dug. Here, George, you want to show this one? So the third one, this is where it's going to go. So let's go ahead and get this planted. But I'm really excited. I think I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so this concludes my video today. It's starting to get dark. I need to just water this rose really well, and then I just need to basically create support for my climbing roses, which I'm thinking to create from the bamboo. My friend of mine has lots of bamboos, and she offered me to come and get some. So anyway, I think that's what I'm going to do with that, but that's for the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it's very quick, but time is kind of a factor today. And if you guys like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe them. Have a wonderful week. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.